I said, live and what happened?
I dey here. Me coming after she coming, insulting me.
I don't understand.
She insulting me.
She's doing what?
She dey hear me after he coming, and she insulting me.
What happened?
I dey come here. I am coming. I saw him, and I call him John Walker. He started fighting me.
Is it true?
You know, say yes. He come here and me. I tell him say make you know. I tell him say make you know. I tell him say make you know soft me. So I tell him make you know soft. No, make you know soft me. That's cut off of that. That's
talk now.
That thing when they do me. That thing when they That thing when they talk me. That thing when they call me no like him.
You know like him?
Yes.
But is your name now?
She started.
What did he tell you? What did he tell you?
He say me.
Talk now.
He say me. Say now. I be Jesus.
You don't remember again? You don't remember again?
No.
You don't remember what he call you again?
Yes. No. He say na John okay. Yes.
Now why are they fighting?
Yes.
Both of you, who's in your past?
I slew him.
Not true.
No, this guy is near me. No see in the senior person.
How old are you? How old are you?
Look on 19.
I don't hear you.
It be 19. Use my face and remember her age.